Toasted Blonde, welcome to my channel. I have a new beauty guide and I'm so excited. I want to talk about her and open a new package she sent me, so stay tuned for my channel and we'll get right to it. Hey, okay, welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. I put out 2 videos a week. One is usually about Limelife products and one is just some other random video I found entertaining, and usually about hair, rosacea, DIY, who knows, anything fun and entertaining, and hopefully you'll be entertained. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you. All right, let's get to it. All right, I have a new beauty guide. My sister-in-law quit selling Limelife by Alcone, now called Limelife by Alcone, and I had a new beauty guide and she sent me a package, so let's open the package. All right. Okay, her name is Debbie Geis. I'll link her information down below. Check out her videos. She's really sweet and nice and helpful, okay? So let's see what she sent me. So I had never tried a lot of their skincare. All right, so she sent me a package. So we were talking about that, and I was like, maybe I should try all these things. So she said, I will send you a care package. So let's see what she sent. All right, oh my God. Oh my God, can you see? Holy shit, look at it. She sent me a shit ton of stuff. All right, let's see what she's got. Oh my God. I love you, Debbie. All right. Look. Oh my fucking God. Debbie, you are the woman of the year. All right, holy hell. So, let's see what we've got. All right, she gave me a nice little letter. I love letters. I started writing letters to people recently. Letters are so fun. I mean, like email's fun and typed messages are fun, but like little cute letters. Do you see the dog hair? Does anybody else see my dog's hair floating on by? I had a dog a year ago, and we knew she was going to be hairy, but had no idea what springtime with a golden retriever would be like. And it's things like this, like you're just talking and like a little dog hair floats by. I vacuumed yesterday, the whole house. My daughter was just vacuuming like 15 minutes ago, again, upstairs, and this is just crazy. Back to what was in my package. All right, the first thing that might have leaked a little is a skin polish. Oh God, it smells good. Oh wow, it did leak. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh my God. Is it orange citrusy smell? Yeah, it's a citrusy smell with a little bit of fine grit. Oh God, I don't want to like these products. I don't need to spend more money. I need to make money. Oh my God, okay. I want to like share the smell. It's an aroma, okay? It's got like little beads in it, and it's really smooth and fine, and it's like in my hand, and I can feel it's gonna be an excellent exfoliator, and I might fall in love with it, but the smell is just amazing. All right, I've got Bamboo Renew. Here's Bamboo Renew. I've got some Dream Clean. Okay, so I have sensitive skin and rosacea, and I've been so tempted to try like Dream Clean and all these products, but like, you know, when you like, everything's like going all right with your makeup, like it's not perfect. My makeup's not perfect, my skin's not perfect, but I have no breakouts, no excessive redness, so I'm just scared. And then, you know, and then I'm cheap. All right, so what else do we have? Some Quench Cleanse. Oh my God. 40 Cure Cream. Okay, so I'm 40, so like I was wondering if that's like supposed to be for people like me. 40 Cream. Oh my God, thank you, Debbie. All right, so more 40 Cure Cream. I talked about that with her. And Quench Cleanse. Oh my God, some Sotox. Okay, I'm still like scrubbing with this stuff. Hold on, I'm gonna go rinse my hands off and be right back. Okay, whatever that was, my hands feel so smooth. Like, I feel like I did one of those like Mary Kay, old like with the sugar scrubs and stuff. Oh my God, they feel so nice. It was called a skin polish. Oh, Mask of Zen. Sotox and Mask of Zen. And oh, Calm Balm. Cool Balm? Calm Balm. Calm Balm or Cool Balm. And Sotox. Holy shit. more Mask of Zens, Dream Clean. Oh my God, thank you so much, Debbie. Like, I'm just drowning in samples here. That is so freaking nice of you. This is my thank you video. I will let you know what I think, but I tell you what, I'm a fucking fan of that skin polish right now. Oh my God, and all right, sign up with Debbie. I'll link her stuff down below. She is super nice and super sweet, and she gave me all these things, and there's a dog hair floating through. Maybe it's the same one. Ugh. Thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blonde. Bye.